Modern defense applications require reliable and accurate detection technology in a wide range of operational environments. Based on proven radar platforms, smartmicro delivers configurable radar solutions for defense applications. Existing hardware and software provide a validated baseline, while targeted adaptation supports efficient integration and predictable system performance. Radar-based drone detection supports the protection of critical infrastructure and sensitive areas. The system reliably detects and tracks small, low-flying, and fast-moving objects. This enables early threat detection and reliable airspace surveillance, even in cluttered or low-visibility environments. Radar-based monitoring solutions support the protection of defined areas and critical infrastructure. The system monitors sensitive zones and detects movement under varying environmental conditions. This supports perimeter protection, intrusion detection, and continuous area monitoring. Radar sensing supports defense vehicles with reliable situational awareness in dynamic and harsh environments. Based on proven automotive radar technology, the system enables reliable detection, tracking, and proximity monitoring in the vehicle's surroundings. High-resolution radar enhances operator awareness and supports collision avoidance during maneuvering in complex terrain and confined spaces. This improves maneuver assistance and helps support safe vehicle operation in complex environments. Vehicle-mounted radar sensors can extend situational awareness into the air domain. The system detects and tracks approaching drones at an early stage, supporting the protection of vehicles and personnel against emerging aerial threats. Reliable detection of small and fast-moving targets enables continuous monitoring of the surrounding airspace. This supports timely threat identification and enhances operational readiness in complex defense scenarios. smartmicro also provides advanced software solutions for real-time tracking, detection, and visualization. Radar and additional sensor data can be fused into a unified operational picture, providing enhanced situational awareness for operators. This supports continuous monitoring, movement analysis, and threat assessment in defense applications. The software can be adapted to mission requirements, environments, and system architectures. From drone detection and perimeter protection to vehicle sensing and situational awareness, smartmicro radar solutions support a wide range of critical defense applications. smartmicro delivers proven radar platforms and configurable solutions for modern defense requirements.